The CBVELO 1000W folding electric bike impresses with its robust 1000-watt motor, capable of reaching speeds over 30 miles per hour, making it ideal for city commuting and off-road adventures. A standout feature of this e-bike is its 48-volt, 20-ampere-hour removable battery, providing an exceptional range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, perfect for long journeys. Riders will appreciate the advanced front suspension and hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring a smooth and safe ride even on rough or uneven terrain. The 20-inch fat tires are designed for all-terrain stability, offering excellent grip and control on both city streets and challenging surfaces like gravel and dirt. With its foldable design, the bike is convenient for commuters and those with limited storage, easily fitting into car trunks or carried on public transport. The color LCD display enhances the riding experience by providing essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled.